I'm going to show you the quickest, easiest way to tear down a fence. This will apply to 6 and 8 foot fences. First off, I'm going to find the post right here, and I'm going to count over approximately 8 pickets. If you're doing 6-inch pickets, I like to do about 6 of them, 5 of them. Since these are 4-inch, I'm going to do 8 pickets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm going to take a sawzall. I'm just going to cut through the rails. Then I'm just going to keep going every 8 pickets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing. Now I'm going to cut the very tops. Take your freely cut panel, haul it to the curb, and stack them up so that the rails overlap. If you're a contractor doing this for a customer, make sure you put the haul-off pile on the customer side of the property line to avoid any issues with squeaky neighbors. Same thing here, we're just going to take this next one, 8 more pickets wide, and we're going to haul it up to the pile. Now this fence has had some rails added to it over time, so just do your best to overlap the rails. If that means the pile ends up going a little longer than 6 feet, no big deal. You just want, as short a stack as possible. Okay, once you've cut 8 pickets all the way down, except for obviously on the rails, you're going to undo the rails from the brackets. Typically, they will be a 7/16 bolt head. I don't know if that's focusing in for you. 7/16 nut driver. If you look up here, we have one that happens to be a T20 Torx head, which I usually don't carry on me. It's also not uncommon to see Phillips here. So on the T20, I'm just going to bust this one off. And I'm just going to do that same thing all the way down the line. Okay, about 45 minutes after arriving on site, we've got it all torn down, ready to carry one at a time to the curb. Consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Become a member to the channel. $3 a month helps me out a ton. Let's get these carried. Alright y'all, there you have it. We made our cuts. We unbolted the remaining panels from the posts, and we carry them individually to the curb and stack them neatly. You post that online for 100, 100 and a half. You'll have haul-off guys come, load it up themselves. You sell them the money and you're good. Again, if you enjoyed this, engage with my other content, like the video, subscribe to the channel, become a member down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.